this robot, this is our new robot that we're going to take to St. Louis. So I widened the chassis up about 2 inches, so it's more stability and not as tippy. And I also put PVC pipes on the bottom here between the motors to cover up the wires so they don't get ripped off, and it protects the motors really well. And then I built a new. I'm working on building the front bucket, and I changed the gear ratio around. The RPM of this motor is 150 times it spins per minute, and I geared it all the way down to 9 times per minute. Is how slow it goes. So it's really slow and really torquey. Whereas the other one is 150 to like 16 times a minute. So the RPM is a little bit greater. So this one is less, so we want it stronger, so it lifts the bucket up real slow and real steady. And I'm also changing the rear claw that grabs the rolling dispensers, so that it'll hold the goal up so that it can hang off the back of it, off of the ramp, so we can hang it off the back. And then I'm also taking all the motor controllers and stuff, and I'm sinking them down into the robot so that it's lower. And the chassis is, the base of the chassis is about a ½ inch lower than the other robot, and then let alone all the other stuff, this is about an inch lower. So we're just trying to keep everything as low as possible, keep the gravity down so we're not as tippy and as top heavy and stuff. So